scared me. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm currently coming at you guys live from the iPhone because my camera is literally right here, but this trip was kind of unexpected and I didn't charge my camera, so it's dead. Therefore, it's a little iPhone vlog for this part of the video at least. We are finally taking the Z to go get checked out. I'm not sure if I've said this in the videos. I think I have, but the car leaks E85 when I fill up the car. Like, let's say I go to the E85 station and I top the car off, it'll leak like from the gas tank area. It's kind of weird, I don't know, but it's only when I fill it up. If I'm like this right now, I have like 3/4. If I'm at 3/4 or anything under full, it won't leak nothing. Besides that, if I were to turn off the car right now, like for example, say I don't know, I go get some food or something, I'll get food, I turn the car off, the car won't start for like 25-30 minutes until like it cools off. So I'm not too sure what's going on with that. I have an idea what it could be, but I'm gonna just have my tuner check out the tune, check everything out, and also check out the leak. So I hopefully plan on fixing all of that right now or today. And also for those of you guys that might remember, every single time that I would go into boost, the couplers will be popping off. And my tuner pretty much told me last time that we should pretty much put some beads on the intake. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna do that today too. I mean, might as well. The benefit, I guess you could say, or the good thing about having a tuner who is also a fabricator and mechanic and everything is that he could literally just take out the intake, do the beads really quick and send me on my way. So I hope that I can get all of this done today and we could be hitting some boost by the end of this video. You guys have no idea how good this feels. Passing up all of traffic in the fast lane or whatever this thing is called. I never really get on it, to be honest, but I ain't trying to sit in traffic with this stage straight clutch, so. And plus, I don't even think it's expensive. It's probably like a couple dollars, so I'll spend a couple dollars instead of sitting in there any day of the week. Made it to the shop, and of course, Adrian, my tuner, is not here. I guess he was gonna go to the dyno to pick up a fuel pump, and in his defense, he did ask me if I wanted him to wait for me so I could go with him, but I'll let you just go. So now we're gonna sit here for who knows how long and wait for him to pull up pretty much. We got Anthony's car right here, no turbo. I think he beat me to it. I think he's also going mid-mount turbo. I mean, I'm assuming. I think that's what Adrian was telling me, and then I mean there's no turbo on the car, so I think he's going mid-mount, so he beat me to it. But it's all good, I'll join you soon. I actually met up with some guys interested in the kit a couple days ago. I was gonna record, but kind of forgot. So I met up with some dude. He seems pretty interested, so he's gonna give me a deposit, I believe next week. And once I get the deposit, I'll bring it back here, take off the kit. The kit's his, and I'll start doing my new kit. Bro, I got here at 2:03. It is currently, well, I will show you guys, but I'm on my phone. It is currently 4:14 p.m. In his defense, I guess his fuel pump died, and he fixed it at the dyno, so it's cool. Shit happens. A little Chick-fil-A date with your tuner, you know? That is never gonna pop off now. So, he fixed the intake. The leak is good. Now we're gonna go try this thing out in the streets of Mexico real quick, make sure it's hitting boost, make sure everything's good. Just touching up the tune real quick. So we're about to start street tuning, and a cop joins the party. Literally about to do the first pull.
Where is he at?
He's right there now. Usually behind me for the longest, but
Right lane. After the lane.
I just do a fat pull past the cop.
Go ahead.
Say I won't.
You won't.
I'll put it in map 4, fool. I get it, bro. You drive a 1300 horsepower 370. Nothing phases you in this world anymore. I get it.
Shit pulled me hard, bro. It was fast, dude. It was so fast. My God, my guy.
Alright, bro.
Fucking scared.
¿Eh? 350. Gracias. Yeah, nothing like getting some compliments while driving this car, bro. Love it.
He was asking about my car earlier.
He's asking about your car? Hey, with the black one, I've seen it run here. The one with the tractor wheels.
Imagine he was like, hay uno negro que está aquí.
Ese te pone en tu madre, güey. Damn, guys, that's my first time hitting boost in months. That shit felt fast, bro. I don't, maybe it's because I'm not used to it no more, but it
That
felt
shit was pretty fast, dude.
Man, I can't tell if you're being serious. Because for me, it felt pretty freaking quick. And I was only
It's fast,
second gear.
bro. It's, yeah, it's fucking fast. Like you right here. Don't go to the light here.
Oh, my bad, G, damn.
Fuck the light, fuck the light,
I don't know if you want to try third, because that's the gear that was in fourth. That felt healthy, bro.
Huh?
That felt hella good. Oh, shit. And I think I short shifted right there too. I don't care about your sarcasm, bro. That felt fucking good. So is 1300 wheel horsepower that much different?
Fuck yeah. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. Way different. My wastegate feels stronger than this.
I would expect it to. Doesn't it make like 9 something?
You know when you're driving your car, right? And then we go to the passenger, it feels stronger, right? It feels faster.
Well, that's how it feels in the driver's seat.
No, I'm just saying that's like, yeah.
Oh, that's,
you know that, right?
Yeah.
So if you were to drive my car, it would feel fast in the driver and the passenger seat.
This felt
like,
fast in the driver's seat too.
Like it feels the same. There's one more point you can.
Second or third, doesn't matter?
Same thing, second and third. Same thing.
Yeah, I don't got no space right here, do I?
What's the picture there?
What's
For the light. Come this way.
Alright.
Your brakes?
Or no?
Yeah, I don't got good brakes at all. I wouldn't be able to stop. Alright, what's the picture? Right. That's good, that's good.
That felt healthy, cousin.
That felt pretty fast, primer.
Call me primer. Yeah, the car definitely feels good. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think we could go to road nights and get all the Hellcats now, bro.
Yeah, the pipe shouldn't blow because I put a meter on it, so you should be alright.
Yeah. So who needs to smoke now? I'm just kidding.
Who needs to smoke now?
Nah, we're still on low boost. That's crazy, bro. This shit's still low power. Like, turn down. I need to stop lagging it. So as I said earlier in the video, I think somebody might actually buy this kit. Once we sell this, we'll probably end up going with the mid mount, or yeah, more than likely mid mount or top mount. I don't know yet. And then upgrade the clutch, and we'll push all the power we can with this thing. That's when it'll be fast. For now,
Bro, how many years have you been
quick.
saying that? Jesus.
28.
It's a long time.
Hey, not everybody's rich like you, right?
I'm not rich.
Yeah, all right, Mr. 1300 wheel horsepower, 370Z that you think.
That takes skill to make that power.
I have money to buy the parts.
Yeah, look at
Alright guys, we're about getting home now. Go ahead and try this out real quick. Damn bro, that feels strong. That feels really strong, bro. Golly. Did you see how fast? I mean, I don't think I was tripping, but did you see how fast I cut that car up? Obviously, he was driving like normal, but damn, son. Holy shit. I want to do a longer pull, but that's good enough. I didn't want to do it since back there because sometimes there'd be the Mexican police hiding right there by where I flew by. So, but yeah, I guess I'd rather be safe than sorry. scared me. Alright guys, we made it home in one piece thankfully. I can't stop laughing and smiling, bro. This car feels a lot faster than the last time I did a pull in it. I don't know if it's because I'm not used to it anymore or what, but I don't know, bro. This thing feels a lot faster. Like the last pull that I did, I was kind of dumb for doing this, but I did pretty much a one-handed pull, holding my phone with one hand and shifting with the other. That kind of scared me, I'm not gonna lie. There was like so many things going on, and once it's like tunnel vision, you get like tunnel vision, it's kind of crazy. But that's only third gear, by the way. The strongest gear in this car is fourth, and I haven't done fourth. I did want to do fourth in the freeway, but there were just not enough space, and I didn't want to pass my exit, so. This thing is back, bro. Holding the boost so far, so let's hope it continues to hold it. And we catch some runs in this thing. I'll probably take it out with the homies one of these days and try to catch some runs. But with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Oh, by the way, if any of you guys live in the SoCal area and might have seen this car for sale on Facebook Marketplace, it is me. I am selling it. I'm testing the waters on it. I'm trying to sell it. I'm trying to see if anyone wants to buy it as is, with the little problem that it has for a little cheaper price. But I'm gonna give it probably like a couple more days. If nobody buys it, I'm gonna just buy the sensor that it needs, because I was told that it needs a sensor, and fix it myself and then sell it as is. But yeah, I mean, if any of you guys want to buy this thing or are interested, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the Facebook Marketplace listing in the bio. You guys can check it out. I'm not selling them with the wheels though, I'm keeping the wheels, so everything will be as is, just no wheels. But yeah guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.